Hey guys, Paul here at Rapids. Today we're going to take a look at the Beverage Air DW Series Deepwell horizontal bottle coolers. So there's 4 different sizes available. We have the 50-inch unit that's got 2 lids on it, and it's going to come with 3 bin dividers to separate your product, right? And then there's the 65-inch unit, that's this one, also 2 lids, but it has 4 bin dividers in it. Then you move up to an 80-inch unit. That's going to have 3 lids on it and a total of 5 bin dividers. And then the big dog is the 95-inch unit. You're going to get 4 lids with that and 6 bin dividers. And then there's actually 2 different versions of these in way of refrigeration too. So we got the standard units here that are going to run a normal temperature range from 32 to 38 degrees Fahrenheit. But they also make these where they beef up the refrigeration. They call these ones the Frosty Brew series, and they will hold temperature from 30 degrees to 32 degrees. And they do that because they're using it's a higher power, high cooling RPM fans on it. That's going to help create faster pull down times for you after you load the thing and after the lid's open. It's got oversized self-defrosting evaporators on it, and those have dual fans, and there's a larger coil. So they just kind of put more horsepower behind the refrigeration to allow for it. Available in all those same sizes, and the same lid and bin dividers are available for those too. Okay, so let's talk a little bit about the construction of these units. We're going to notice on the top that we have a stainless steel top, including the lids themselves. There is this little upraising on the stainless steel shelf here that's going to help keep glasses from falling over. You look at the exterior of the unit, it's a vinyl coated, it's a black vinyl coated steel, and that's available on all of the sides, including the back of the unit too. We might look right away to the front, and you're going to see there's an integrated bottle opener and cap catcher that's removable. That is made out of plastic, so it's easier to hoist it, but maybe not as durable as some of the steel ones we've seen on other manufacturers' units. Looking inside the unit, the bin dividers are adjustable, and every about inch or so there's a place where you can move them. So you can match these bins to the width of the product that you're carrying and inside here. Now there is a drain plug in the bottom of the unit too, and the galvanized steel is actually kind of molded to help channel any spillage there, because with using these, a lot of times if you're doing cans or even bottles at that point, they could break or get punctured and make a mess in here. And so this allows for you to be able to spray it out, and then it'll drain all to that central spot right there. The lids themselves are removable. I wanted to show you this, that you pull it out like that, and you gotta kind of turn it and you can take them out. On these units, it's almost easier to access the thermostatic control knob by taking this lid off, because with the lid in there and slid back, you can kind of fish your finger around there, but if you want to see it plainly, maybe taking that thing off is advantageous. The refrigeration itself, you can pull out here for cleaning. The actual evaporate or the condensate that might come down is going to collect into this little bin right here and wick off. There's these little sponges there. It's ventilated on the sides and in the back too, to help it maintain its temperature. We have the insulation is a polyurethane insulation that is both CFC and HCFC free, so it's more environmentally friendly. The power on this thing is a regular household plug. You get, I think, about 8 feet of cord on this, just regular household plug. You will find for the listings on these units, they qualify for UL, CUL US, NSF for packaged food goods, which beer would be, or soda, or whatever you're putting in these things. Warranty on them are 5 years on the compressor with 3 years parts and labor on the rest of the unit. So these are the Beverage Air DW Series bottle coolers. Pretty rugged piece. Especially that Frosty Brew series would be the one we would recommend if you want to serve super cold beer, or if you're in a high volume, high traffic area where these things are getting accessed on a more regular basis. If you have any other questions about these bottle coolers or any of the other bar refrigeration we carry here at Rapids, I'd encourage you to give the experts at the shop here a buzz or jump on our online chat.